Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create these beautiful custom donut charts in Microsoft Excel using 3 different styles. This is going to be a fun learning experience. Make sure you watch the video till the end. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's begin with the tutorial. As you can see, we have the sample data for Project A, Project B, and Project C. We have finished percentage already in place for each project. Now we will calculate the remaining percentage. Select the value cell for remaining and type equals, then 1 minus the finished percentage of Project A. For Project B, select the value cell for remaining and type equals, 1 minus the finished percentage of Project B. And for Project C, repeat the same. Now we have the sample data ready for chart creation. Next, go to the View tab and uncheck Grid Lines to make the dashboard cleaner and the donut charts more visible. Now we will start creating the donut charts. Go to the Insert tab, select Charts, and choose the donut chart. Place it on the dashboard like this. Keep Chart selected and right-click. Then select Data. Click Add. Keep the series name blank. And for the series values type 1,125 times to create 25 equal segments for the base donut. And hit OK. Now the segmented donut chart appears. Remove the title. Remove the legend. Right-click on the chart area. Go to Fill and choose No Fill. We will keep the border visible as this will help us align the charts as we proceed. Now, select the chart segments and right-click. Then choose Fill and choose this custom red fill. Next, double-click on Chart Segments and under Format Data Series, set the donut hole size to 65% to make it slightly larger. Select the data range for Project A and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then click on the outer edge of the existing donut chart and press Ctrl+V to paste it. You will now see an additional donut layer. Right-click on the newly added donut. Go to Change Chart Type. And under Combo, navigate to the second series and mark it as secondary axis. And click OK. This will overlap the first one. Right-click on Chart Segment. Select Data. Navigate to Second Series. Click Edit. And choose the cell containing the Project A title as the series name. Click OK. If you hover over the chart, you will now see the finished and remaining percentages with the project name. Select the finished segment, then click again to isolate it. Right-click. Go to Fill and choose No Fill. This makes the red base segments visible beneath it. Now select the remaining segment. Right-click, go to Fill, and choose the light lavender color. Double-click on the remaining segment. And on the right side under Format Data Point, click on Fill and adjust the transparency to 35%. This makes the underlying segmented ring clearly visible, giving a clean and professional layered effect. Select the chart border. Go to the Format tab. Set the height to 6.5 centimeters and the width also to 6.5 centimeters. Position the donut neatly on the dashboard. Next, go to Insert tab. Then Shapes. Choose the flowchart Terminator shape and draw it on the dashboard. And place it neatly under first chart. Right-click. Go to Fill and choose the same custom red color. Type title as Project A. With the shape selected, go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Then go to Home tab. Center align the text and middle align the text. Set the font size to 24. This completes the label for Project A. Now close the Format pane. Select the donut chart by clicking the outer border. Go to Insert tab. Select WordArt and choose the Reflection Gradient style. While the WordArt text box is selected, go to the formula bar. Type equals and link it to the finished percentage for Project A. Place it in the center of the donut. Go to Home tab. Change the font to Century Gothic. Set the font size to 32. Align it perfectly in the center. Now we will create the donut chart for Project B. Select the category and value for Project B. Go to Insert tab. Navigate to Charts and select Donut Chart. Place it on the dashboard. Remove the title and legend. Right-click the chart. Go to Select Data. For value, click Edit. Select the series name and set the series name as Project B. Press OK. Now we have the project name available for both finished and remaining section. Go to Format tab. And under Shape Outline, select No Outline. Next, click on the finished segment of the donut chart. Then click again to isolate it. Under Format tab, go to Shape Fill. Choose Black, 25% lighter. Now select the remaining segment. And under Shape Fill, choose White darker 25%. Double-click on Finished segment again. On the right side under Format Data Point, select Fill. And under Border, choose Solid Line. Then from Line Color, select the same black lighter 25% color. Set the width to 13 points. Then under Series Options, set the donut hole size to maximum. Now select the remaining segment. Go to Fill option. And under Border, select Solid Line. And select the same white darker 25% line color. Set the width to 6 points. Select the finished section again. Go to Fill. Then under Border, choose Cap Type and set it to Round. Now select the chart segment. And under Series option, set the angle of first slice to 90 degrees. Now click on Chart Border. Then go to Format tab, and under Size set the height to 6.5 centimeters and the width to 6.5 centimeters. This keeps it consistent with the first chart. Copy the Project A title shape. Paste it below the second chart. Change the text to Project B. Go to Fill. And change the color to black, 25% lighter. Now select the donut chart border. Go to Insert tab. Choose WordArt and pick Same Gradient Reflection. Keep the text box selected. Go to the formula bar, type equals and link it to the finished percentage for Project B. Then navigate to Home tab and maintain the font size as 32. Apply the same font, Century Gothic. Position it at the center. Now we move to the third style for Project C. Select the category and value data range. Go to Insert tab. And under Charts, choose Donut Chart. Remove title and legend as well. Right-click. And under Fill, select No Fill. Go to Format tab. Set height to 6.5 centimeters and width to 6.5 centimeters. Position the chart neatly on dashboard. Now, select the finished segment. Right-click, go to Fill, and choose Orange. For the remaining segment, choose Light Orange. Select both segments. Go to Shape Outline. Choose No Outline. Select the finished segment again. Isolate it. On the right side, go to Fill option. Then under Border, choose Solid Line. Then under Line Color, choose the same orange color. Set the width to 13 points. Change the dash type to the dotted style. Change the cap type to round. Select the remaining segment. Then go to Fill. Under Border, choose Solid Line. Then under Line Color, choose same light orange. Set the width to 0.5. Next, copy the title shape from Project B. Place it below the Project C donut chart neatly. Change the text to Project C. Go to Fill. And choose the orange as fill color. Now select the donut chart. Go to Insert tab. Choose WordArt. With the text box selected, type equals in the formula bar and link it to the finished percentage for Project C. Place it in middle. Under Font option, set it to Century Gothic. Set the font size to 32. Reposition it in the center. Lastly, select all charts one by one and set the shape outline to no outline. Then slightly increase the size of the first donut chart so it visually lines up with the other two. Now all three donut charts, each with a unique custom style, are complete. Let's switch to full screen to see the final result. And that's how you can build a clean, professional dashboard using custom donut charts in different styles. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.